In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app and then check your internet connection. Make sure that you're using a stable internet. For that, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. To refresh network, you want to turn on the flight mode. Now wait for at least 15 seconds. After that, you simply want to turn off flight mode. After refreshing your network, go ahead and tap on this Reels tab and check if your issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is simply tap and hold on the Instagram app, then tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and tap on the option of storage. Here tap on clear cache. Now head back. Here tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If not, you want to update your application. For that, tap on Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and here you want to search Instagram. Now, tap on the update option over here. Once your application has been updated, open it and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the final thing you want to do is uninstall the app. Go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. Once this application has been uninstalled, reinstall it again. Once you have reinstalled it, this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.